In the given question, if x then y unless z is represented by which of the following formulas? So let's see. If x then y unless z. This part is very simple. It gives x imply y because see, P imply Q is equivalent to if P then Q. Using this we can write this unless Z. We also know that P imply Q is equivalent to Q unless, in other language, Q unless not P. So suppose in this question consider this whole as Q and consider this whole as not P. See, this is not P, this is not P, this is Q. I have considered this whole from here to here as Q and unless. So we try to map this with this formula. So in question here it is Q. So Q is what? This portion from here to here. If x then y, that is x imply y is our Q. So in place of Q write x imply y. We will write this implication, keep this in bracket. We will write this implication, and in place of P, here not P and here it is written Z. So we will write not Z. Now, but none of the option matches with this. So we try to figure this out what would be. So start with not Z imply x imply y. It can be written as Z or not x or y. It can be written as, you can write Z or not x, sorry, this is y, or y. Can be written as x or z or y. Can be written as not of x and not z or y. If you consider this P, then using P imply Q is congruent to not P or Q. So it can be written as x and not z imply y. So option A is correct.